If you love modern and interesting photos, here's a trick how to make them. As you can see on the screen, a small detail can enhance your daytime photo. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add sun rays to your photo in a few steps. For this, I'll be using the Picsart app. Before we start, install the Picsart app if you haven't already. I already have it, so I'll open it now. Add the photo you want to add sun rays to by clicking the plus button. Then, select the desired photo. I just want to mention that you should choose a photo with a clear sky and plenty of daylight. For the best effect, take a photo similar to this one. Of course, you can also experiment with other photos. Now we move on to editing the photo and adding sun rays. At the bottom of the screen, there are different functions. Scroll to the left until you find lens flare. Click the button to open it. There, you have a large number of different effects that you can add. Choose the desired effect and add it by clicking on it. The ray will appear over the photo. Position it where you want it. Enlarge it if needed. Save the changes you made by clicking the check mark in the upper right corner. Then click the arrow. Now you can publish your edited photo on the Picsart app if you want. I will save the photo to my phone, so I'll press the Save button. This way, you can share it later through other apps as well. If you found this video interesting, check out the other tutorials on the channel. Follow the channel for more tricks and tips.